Hello everyone. Today we will continue reviewing burners from the brand Terra Incognita. We will take a look at the Sirius model. This is a lightweight, compact, portable gas burner that screws onto a canister. This model features a piezo element that allows for instant ignition. It comes in a hard plastic case for transportation, along with an operating manual. The burner has foldable legs on which the cookware is placed. Its power is 30-50 watts. We conducted a series of tests and obtained the following results. So the weight, the burner itself weighs 125 grams. Together with the box, it weighs 160 grams. We measured the time it takes to boil 1 liter of water. The tests were conducted at room temperature in an enclosed space. We have a boiling time of 3 minutes and 35 seconds. For this we used a pot made of anodized aluminum, into which we poured water at a temperature of 15 degrees. We also measured the fuel consumption. It took 18 grams of gas to boil 1 liter of water. The tests were conducted at the maximum power of the burner. Please note that the boiling time and fuel consumption depend on many factors, such as the ambient temperature, the altitude at which you are located, the cookware in which you are heating the water, and others. The link to this burner will be below the video, so subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you next time.